This morning, medical experts raising the alarm about a concerning spike in whooping cough cases. The bacterial infection quickly spreading nationwide, with the CDC already reporting more than 8,000 cases this year, more than double the amount reported by the same time last year.
Very alarmed. These are preventable diseases.
Whooping cough, caused by a bacteria called pertussis, is highly contagious and spreads through the air when someone with the illness coughs or sneezes. Symptoms start similar to a cold or flu, but then can develop into something much worse, with babies and young children most at risk. Over the last 6 months, 2 infants in Louisiana died after contracting whooping cough. One of the epicenters of the outbreak, Michigan, where cases have increased 1,800% within a year with no signs of slowing down. 13-year-old Joe Moore contracted the infection last month, telling NBC News it led to uncontrollable coughing fits, one of the hallmark symptoms of the illness.
It's usually a very rapid succession of coughs that seem almost continuous, and then a gasp to get a deep breath of air in that sounds like a whoop because it's so hard to get breath in.
Meanwhile, measles also continuing to spread, with 800 cases now reported in at least 25 states. Experts say both illnesses, once thought to be nearly eliminated in the U.S., are once again on the rise due to declining vaccination rates nationwide.
I do think we're going to start seeing some of these, like almost Charles Dickens kind of like illnesses that we didn't think we would see anymore in the modern era. And unfortunately, a lot of it is due to kind of myths or misinformation about vaccines.
Now, some parents on edge in communities where cases have been reported.
Go get your kids vaccinated because the whooping cough is very, very serious and can lead to death, unfortunately.
Now, while the mortality rate for whooping cough is low, the infection can often lead to other life-threatening complications like pneumonia. Doctors say the best way to prevent it is to get vaccinated. If you had the vaccine as a child, you are considered protected. But the CDC recommends all pregnant women get the shot again in their 3rd trimester to create antibodies that then pass on to their baby. Savannah.
All right, Liz, thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.